shaking, show-stopping, amazing. This is what we have in store for you today. You're going to be earning so much money on complete autopilot that it's actually going to drive you insane. I know this is something that you guys definitely don't want to miss, so let's go ahead to our first step and what's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Is it possible to make money online just by watching videos on YouTube? Well, yes, it is very much possible. It's a very easy method to make money that's very trending and very in right now. And you actually can get paid PayPal money using this method. And basically make money without having to put in any work or pay for anything. You don't have to post or shoot anything. You don't have to edit anything. You don't have to have subscribers. You don't even have to put money into it. Like, all you're gonna do is watch videos. And these videos don't even have to be your own. It's free and it's worldwide available. All you need to do is watch the videos, earn, and then just withdraw the money that you've earned. But before you can actually make a lot of money, you have to follow the steps that we're going to be showing you in today's video. And before we get into the platform, into the websites, first you have to concentrate that we can do this on our phones or our laptops. If you have any of the two, then you're good. Now, if you're not sure how exactly we're going to be earning with this method, then you better continue watching. Technology is amazing, and that's exactly what's going to get us through. So, make sure you watch this video. It's going to be fun. Now, let's get back into it. Our website for today is called admifastcom. And this is going to let us view YouTube videos to be able to earn money in return. So you can either trade it in for cash or PayPal money. You're going to be earning points and you can exchange it for either cash, PayPal money, or some gift cards. Now we're also going to be showing you how you can make your points and turn it into cash. So make sure that you stick with me so I can show you everything. Now, this is a social media engagement site where a lot of users like to share YouTube views, likes, and other similar things. And you can actually know more about the platform and the very special features that this platform has on this website. Now, to be able to use this platform and earn money from it, first you'll need a YouTube account, basically, right? Now, you're not gonna need any subscribers or likes to be able to earn money. Just have an account. If you don't have a channel, then you can just make one by going on youtube.com and signing up. Then once you have a YouTube account, let's go back to admifast. Then you're going to click on this button to test it for free. After you click on that, you're going to be brought to this page where they're going to be asking you some information like your first name, your last name, your email address, and some other information that you're going to have to give and provide to be able to successfully create an account. As soon as you're done with that, you're going to check this box to finish up the sign up process. They're going to send you a confirmation email, and this is how it should look like when you check your inbox. And you're going to have to check your spam folder if you don't find it, because sometimes they are considered spam. But basically, once you find this email, you're going to click on the verification link so you can be a registered user. And as soon as you do that, you're inside your account, okay? So now we're going into the account, and you can actually check that this platform is actually legit. And it works really well. So here's the dashboard. And if you can see, it's basically a very simple, easy going, basic website where you can earn money every day. Now on the left corner, there are options for earning points, like maybe leaving likes, leaving comments on posts by clicking on this button right here, or you can follow accounts on Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms. All you have to do is click here. Now, as soon as you complete these tasks, the platform will provide you with the appropriate points. And then those points, you can make it into cash. I want you to leave a comment down below about where you're from, what devices you use, and what your preferred payment method is. In that way, I can focus on that when I make future videos for my lovely subscribers. So let's keep going. Now let's go back to the video, and on the right side, you can actually use any social media networking platform that you want. But we're not obviously here because of that, okay? We're here because we want to use YouTube, that social media platform, watch YouTube videos, and make money from that. So you're going to go to the left-hand panel, and then you're going to look up for select on YouTube views, and then you're going to click on that, and you're going to be taken to this page right away. And as you can see, in order for us to gain this number of points, we have to watch this video for a few seconds. It's very easy. Just click on the video, then you're going to look at the page. It's just going to pop up. And the page is actually going to keep track of how long you're watching the video, if it's playing. And as you can see, the page is taken down. So you're just going to wait for a few minutes, a few seconds before you get your prizes. So make sure that you stay on that page, on that video. And then after that, after you've done that, you're going to earn money. Now, you can exchange your points because they are going to give you points. These points, you can exchange them for either likes of your own, views of your own, subscribers on your own, or money. So it really depends on the person. And you're going to earn points for every video that you watch. And there is also a referral program, which is great, and we love another way to earn. So another feature on this page is that you can actually earn daily bonuses. Just sign up and check in every day and do tasks. But this option is only available to those accounts that have been on the platform for a long time. So you have to be active so that eventually you can start earning the daily bonuses. Now, this platform rewards consistency. So make sure to sign in every day, check on it every day. And now that we still don't have a daily bonus, we're just going to make the most of our YouTube videos by watching them all the time and watching all of them if we can. If you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our videos so far. It really helps the channel, and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Now, since we're still on the same page, we're going to be showing you another platform that's going to help you make money just like admifast. Now, it's amazing to think about all of the money that you could make with this platform. So let's go on over to playerup.com, which is also a social media marketplace where you can buy and sell social media accounts and engagement. So you're going to go on over to this website. You're going to scroll down a little bit until you find for all other games marketplaces. So you're going to press on that, and then you're going to search up Facebook button in the letter F category. Then you're going to be taken to this page where you can actually buy, sell, and exchange Facebook followers, friends, and even likes. And to make it even easier for you, we're going to focus on Facebook likes, followers, and shares. So if you click on over here, okay, you're actually going to come here. You're going to come to this page where people actually sell these types of services for very, very low prices. So, for example, this number of likes for this amount. You could sell these types of services and player up with the help of admifast. And by watching YouTube videos, consider that if you do this on a regular basis, you're going to be making so much money. It's going to help you financially. It's going to fulfill your needs and your wants all at the same time because you're going to use them together. All you have to do is sign up with PlayerUp, and then you're going to start advertising your services. So if a customer requests you to raise the number of likes on a Facebook post, then you're going to go to admifast and you're going to look for the plus add button on the dashboard. You're going to be brought here, and then after choosing to proceed, where you're going to select the type, which in this case is Facebook likes. Then in the countries category, you can just choose global. And last, in the title field, you can basically type anything that the customer wants. Now, you must copy the customer's URL that connects to their page or post and enter or paste it here. The CPC will be defined by the number of points you spend, which is equal to a specified number of likes. After putting everything in correctly, you're finished. You've given your customer service. Then you're going to make money even twice as more. Now you've completed a basic task for a very big amount of money. And to make it easier for you guys, a little recap, just register and admifast, view a lot of videos to collect points, go to playerup.com, pick the Facebook likes category. As soon as you've accumulated a large number of points from admifast, you're gonna go back to player app, register, and sell those points, which in this case is selling Facebook likes. And when a client wants to buy those Facebook likes, they're gonna purchase the service of boosting certain aspects of their social media engagement, and then they can do that by giving their URL for you to enter. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.